Okay, class, I figured out what I did wrong. I computed my average incorrectly, and I fixed that because 17 divided by 5 is going to be 3.4 instead of 3.2. So I have corrected that mistake. So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make sure that my values are correct. So 5 minus 3.4 is 1.6, and 6 minus 3.4 is 2.6, and 1 minus 3.4 is negative 2.4, and 3 minus 3.4 is a negative 0.4, and 2 minus 3.4 is equal to negative 1.4. So what I want to do is, the next step, I'll come in and I will add these deviation scores up, so I'll have a total of 0, and that's what I want to do, is have a total of 0. So I'm going to add those up right now. 1.6 plus 2.6 plus negative 2.4 plus negative 0.4 plus negative 1.4. And then I get a value of 0. So that's what I want. And if I have 0, I'm happy because I know that I did all my other calculations correct. So now what I want to do is I want to square each one of these deviation scores. So don't worry about these negative numbers, because once I square the negative number, it will turn it into a positive number. So when I square 1.6, I'm going to get a value of 2.56. I'm going to square 2.6, and I get a value of 6.76. And I'll square negative 2.4, and I get a value of 5.76. I'm going to square 0.4, and I get a value of 0.16. I'm going to square 1.4, and I'll get a value of 1.96. So I'm going to sum these up again, and once I sum these up, I will find the value of my numerator. So I'm going to do that real quick. So 2.56 plus 6.76 plus 5.76 plus 0.16 plus 1.96. I get a value of 17.2. That's my numerator. So I found my numerator, which is 17.2. And I know what my denominator is 5. So when I calculate this, 17.2 divided by 5, I get my variance of 3.44. So sigma squared is equal to 3.44. Now to find the standard deviation, all I have to do is take the square root of my variance. So if I take the square root of my variance, it will equal my standard deviation, which will be the square root of 3.44 is 1.8547. And that's what I wanted to get and show you this week. So hopefully this will help you on your homework. Thank you very much.